Hello, my name is Evan Vesper, and I'm a fifth-year BSMS student at CASE. I graduated in the spring with my bachelor's in electrical engineering, and now I'm working towards my master's in biomedical engineering. I work on the Relink, or Restoring Lower Limb Neural Connections project, with the goal to improve lower limb prostheses by restoring function in the missing limb. In the past, I've investigated reflexes in the legs caused by electrical sensory feedback using implanted nerve cuffs. Recently, I've started my thesis project, which focuses on developing a bidirectional neuroprosthesis that restores both sensory and motor function using a myoelectric controller. I've been interested in biomedical research since high school. Figuring out that I could work towards improving people's lives in a real way was the reason I would decide to get involved with these projects. The first time that I heard about the idea of restoring sensation to someone who's lost it seemed like science fiction to me. But working in the APT Center has given me the incredible opportunity to do research in a clinical environment and see personally how this technology can benefit amputees. I've been fortunate enough to receive Goldwater Scholarship for my work with the lab, which is the most prestigious national award for undergraduate research. Outside of the lab, I've had the opportunity to serve as a teaching assistant for intro-level coding and physiology classes. That and engineering clubs on campus have been great opportunities for me to mentor younger students that are interested in research. Recently, one of my favorite things to do with my friends outside of the lab has been virtual game nights. They've been a great way to stay in contact during lockdowns, and now we're able to transition to meeting in person.